In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build an AI receptionist that routes calls to 3 different departments, collects caller information, and logs everything to Google Sheets, all using Vapi. And the kicker is that you don't need to write a single line of code. And hey, if we haven't met yet, I am Mo from Sonar AI, and we help SMBs transform their phone operations with AI voice agents that work around the clock and cost 15 to 30 times less than hiring additional staff. Or if you want to see if there is a fit for your specific business, then I do offer 5 strategy consultation slots, which you can find in the first link in the description. These fill up pretty fast, so if you're interested, I do encourage you to get yours now. And with that said, let's jump into the build. Cool, so let's get into the weeds. And to start, you need to have a Vapi account. And if you don't have one, please go ahead and sign up. I also included a referral link in the description, which will give you a little goodie when you start. Awesome. So once we have the voice agent Vapi set up, you also want to have a NA10 account. And I do recommend that if it's your first time with NA10, just get started with a 14 day free trial. So you're basically good to go. Now, once you have both, what you want to do is go into NA10 and create a new workflow. And I want you to go in the description and download this workflow that I have here. And what you will do is you just click on import from file, and then you'll be able to import this specific workflow. And what's really awesome about this is that this will get you the entire agent set up into Vapi. And don't worry, I will walk you through it right now. Now, what I just want you to do is just download this and get it into your workflow. And what we will need to add is the API key. API key is basically like a password that we have set up here so that we can, just take some actions directly through NA10. And this will allow us to have the agent directly and the tools directly. And the way that you go and get your API key is that you go back into Vapi, you click on this little thing here, which says API keys. And then you'll see private API keys, and you want to copy the ID of it. So you just copy that. And I haven't done it already, but I'm just going to show you. You go back into Vapi, you will have authentication. You'll have to click generic. You put bear auth, and then you probably have to, another one, and you create a new one, and you put your bear token. All right, so what we're going to do is just click on execute workflows, and boom, here we go. We have everything set up in Vapi. So if we go into our Vapi dashboard, we can see that, if we refresh, we can see now our, agent that I set up for this example. And we can also see in the API keys, in the tools, that we have this unnamed or untitled tool. Now, what I want you to do is just call it transfer tool. So we just refer it like that. I'm not sure why it gives me a name tool. I haven't figured out a way to give it the proper naming, but well. If you have, please share it in the comments. But awesome, we have our tool. And basically, to give you a rundown of what's going on, because you will need to edit it a little bit. When it comes to the phone number, you of course want to put your own phone number or the phone number that you want to transfer to. So in this case, I just put like a random phone number, but I'm going to replace it with my actual phone number. And of course, make sure to change anything that you find necessary for yourself. This is just an example, so you're more than welcome, to edit this, make it your own, use ChatGPT or Claude or whatever LLM to help you understand what's going on and potentially, work through it. And whenever you're in doubt, I really recommend that you go into this code toggle here. You just copy and put it in whatever LLM of your choice. It will help you understand what's going on a lot easier. All right, so now we can go back into our assistant, and basically you can see that you have already the first message already set up with also the system prompt. Now, what we want to be able to do now is to call this very, let's say, agent. So for that, we will need a phone number. I have already my phone number, like the free phone number setup, which is awesome for testing. You can just get one here. You can put your own, I don't know, code, and you're basically good to go. And whenever I put any number, it's never available. So I just put anything that is hinted here, and you just go ahead and do it. And yeah, once you have your phone number, you will have to wait a little bit of minutes. I think you just have to select the assistant. And for me, it's the Metropolitan Homes New York that we have there. You just select it, you save, then you're basically good to go. Okay, and one very important point that you don't want to forget is, as you remember, we built before this transfer tool tool. And we want to make sure that we have it, connected to our agent. And the way you do that is that you go into the tools section and you toggle the transfer tool. Without this, you're not going to transfer anything. So you want to make sure that you are using this tool. Awesome. Let's hit publish, and we're ready to actually go and call this phone number that we have connected before. So yeah, let's copy the phone number, go onto open phone, and get ready to go. Actually, one thing before that I just remembered, just make sure that you replace in the tools. I'm not gonna hide it here, but just make sure that you replace the actual phone number, like your phone number, because if you're transferring and you're not receiving your actual call, then it doesn't make sense. Awesome. So I'm gonna put the number here. We're gonna call this phone number, and then I should receive a transfer call because I changed the phone numbers there as well. Awesome. So let's get it tested.
Please wait while we connect your phone call. Thank you for calling Metropolitan Homes NYC. This is Jenny. How can I help you today?
Hi, Jenny. I'm looking to buy a property in New York City. I haven't really decided where, to be honest. So, I need a bit of guidance there. But overall, that's my time.
Perfect. Are you looking in a specific area, or are you open to options around Manhattan?
Yeah, I'm still really looking around, so I haven't really decided for somewhere specific.
Got it. Can I get your name?
Yeah, sure. My name is Bob.
Great, Bob. And what's the best number to reach you?
Yeah, this very phone number is the best one to reach me.
Great. I'm connecting you with Marcus from our rental specialist team. He'll walk you through all available options. One moment, please.
Here we go. I just got the phone call coming from the agent, so I transferred it, and yeah, it's working. So I'm gonna call it here, close it. Yeah, but basically here you go. This is how you set a router agent. We haven't really gone deep into how you can build it, but this is allowing you to just get it tested. But in essence, what you want to make sure that you have is the tools. You want to have them properly, let's say, set. I have my phone number there, so I don't want to dox it. And you just want to make sure that in the prompt, you are going to reference, like in the examples, I say, use transfer tool destination to destination 0. So you have, the definition, the destinations set. And yeah, you can work, let's say, directly by using that in the prompt. So that was it for today. I hope you found it valuable, and I see you in the next video.